Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Gigaset GX6. For this, you want to swipe up and go to your settings. And then you want to go to security and go to SIM card lock. You just click on it and here it says require PIN to use phone. So that just means when your phone restarts that you need to put in your SIM card PIN to unlock your phone. And here, change SIM PIN. If you click on it, you can put in a new SIM PIN. First of all, you have to put in your old one and then it asks you for your new PIN. So we put in 4x0. You might want to be a bit more creative than that. And then SIM PIN changed successfully. So now if your phone has restarted again and you need to put in your SIM PIN, you will have to put in your new SIM PIN. So that's how easy it is. You can now just go back, go to your home screen, use your phone. So that's how you change your SIM PIN on your Gigaset GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.